And 3 months after he was arrested, former Tejpal chief Tarun Tejpal has been formally charged by the Goa police of rape of a junior colleague. Goa police in the charge sheet says there's sufficient evidence on record to show Tejpal even evaded arrest following a complaint against him. In fact, the police examined 152 witnesses during this probe and also relied on CCTV footage of the five-star hotel lobby outside the lift where the alleged incident took place.
This was, expected. The new law has come into being and it has brought in the effect the provisions regarding rape, and it has brought into provisions regarding stalking. It has brought in all the new provisions. So obviously it would come within the parameters based upon the statements that have been recorded. Charge sheet is really speaking the first stage after investigation, and the trial is yet to begin. It was but expected. Of course, I think it's a very big issue which has come up as far as the society is concerned. Women's protection, women's empowerment, the fact that women are harassed. These are critical issues for society, and I think each and every person is looking at these cases to see what ultimately is the outcome, because they would address the difficulties that women face, particularly in workplaces. And irrespective, this has been pending consideration for a long time. It's just that these cases have brought it into focus. So I think all eyes are turned towards these cases.
See, Tejpal was a magazine that everyone very well respected, and we thought it stood for certain principles. But what had come out after the reporter who had alleged that there was sexual harassment and even attempt to rape, we condemn. We are very happy that she took such a courageous step, and it has happened so far. And I think it's not just for Tejpal but for other media organizations to learn that what is happening and what is happening in regards to sexual harassment in offices, and special action needs to be taken to curb all of that violence.
We are getting more reactions coming in, including the Goa DIG OP Mishra speaking with Times Now, saying they have a watertight case against Tarun Tejpal and enough evidence to corroborate the victim's version of what happened.
Mishraji, you have charge-sheeted Tejpal in almost all the charges under which he was booked in last week of November 2013. Yeah. So we are told, what are those 7 charges of IPC?
I think we have sections of 354, 354A, 376 2F, 376 2K, 376 per se, then 341, 342. These are all sections which finally the charge sheet has.
Overall, can we say that Goa police has managed to prepare a watertight case against Tejpal?
I think I can say that the investigating officer has done a very meticulous investigation and has been able to incorporate and produce relevant documentary as well as evidence in the form of statements in the charge sheet. The charge sheet has been filed. Then the trial of the case should be completed within a period of 60 days. So since there is an amended provision, it's available. So a request is going to be made by the special PP for the incorporating this or for taking up this on day-to-day basis.